Hi, Lawrence Greenberg here for SiMX. You're looking at the user interface to the authoring tool for SiMX TextConverter. In this workflow, we're going to take data from a bill and load it into a database using artificial intelligence. Let's start with a destination database. You set the data source, and TextConverter will pick up the names of the fields, their types, and their widths from that destination data source. Next, let's load our input document. My input document is a PDF of a phone bill. We drop it into TextConverter. Next, I'm going to use TextConverter to generate templates using artificial intelligence. Let's take a look at the template that was generated. It's identified records and fields. The first field is the date. I'm going to connect that using VBScript a little bit later. The next field is the phone number. Let's go ahead and connect that from the input to the output. Next field is the rate. We'll connect that. And the next three fields are in order, so we can connect them all at once by position. And these last few fields are not used in the destination database, so we can ignore those. Let's go ahead and do that script. Right-click on the output field that you want to create using a script conversion. Now we're in the script editor. TextConverter has placed value there as a placeholder. Let's put the actual code that we want. And then we can drag the input parameter right into that function. Let's get a look at that output preview. It looks good. Now I'd like to see the date with the time. So let me change the viewing format for my preview. Okay, that looks great. Let's save the project. And now before we run it, let's make sure that we're appending an existing table. If this is not checked, TextConverter will create the table, provided you have the right privileges. Let's run the extraction. And let's use the built-in data browser to get a look at the results in that Oracle table. And that looks terrific. That is SiMX TextConverter version 3.1.